Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online learning platform Apna course. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this is the official website of the Apna course online learning platform. They are providing both paid courses as well as some free courses across different categories like banking and finance, project and ops management, IT and security, sales and marketing, law, OB and HR management. Language courses are also available in this Apna course website, and you have some personal development courses, statistics and data analytics courses, business strategy, academics. So they're offering courses under all these categories here, but we'll be concentrating mostly on the free certificate courses that are provided by Apna course. So you can see here courses, just click on it. You can see here free courses, click on it to see the free certificate courses offered by Apna course. So there are 30 free certificate courses that are offered by Apna course. The free certificate courses offered by Apna course is kind of courses which you don't often get for free, like the one GST, strategic digital marketing, CA foundation, lean management courses, and stock market investing. You have private banking course, and best one here, Tally ERP9 for beginners. If you're looking to learn about Tally, you can go for this course. And you have coaching skills course, job interviewing skills course, and project management for beginners course. And you also have blockchain for finance professionals. There are a lot of different courses across different categories in this Apna course platform. And if you further want to know about any of these courses, just click on the course name. For example, let me assume that you want to enroll in Tally ERP9. So just click on the Tally ERP9 course to see the details about that particular course. And now you can see who's going to teach you this course. Here they have given the course faculty, and you can see how many lecture topics and how many hours of video lectures are available. So for this one, Tally ERP9 for beginners, you have 10 lecture topics and you have more than 3 hours of video lectures. And once you complete the course, you can get a free course completion certificate. And if you scroll down, you can see the course curriculum also here. Here it is. So they have given the course curriculum. Once you complete the course content, you have to take a final exam for each course, and then you can download your certificate of completion for free of cost from Apna course. Okay, now let's see how to enroll in these courses. So you can see here login sign up. First we need to create an account in Apna course. So click on login sign up here. And if you already have a Apna course account, just give your email ID and password and log into your account. And if you are coming here for the first time, you can see here sign up. Just click on it and give your details like name, phone number, email ID, and create a password and click on sign up. So let me log into my account and catch up later. So now I have logged into my account. So once you log into your account, come to any course that you like and scroll down, and you can see here enroll now. Just click on it to enroll in this course. And now you have to select your state. Once you select your state, click on submit. So once you choose your state and click on submit, you will see this. Congrats, your transaction was successful. And you can see here a button continue to course. Just click on it to go to this course. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in the course Tally ERP9 for beginners. And you can see the course progress here. And here are the course lectures. And once you complete this content, you can click on exams and take the exam. Once you complete the exam, you can click on certificate and download your course completion certificate for free of cost from Apna course. And if you want to see the courses in which you have enrolled, you can see here courses. Just click on it and you will see here my courses. And if you go to my courses, you will see the courses in which you have enrolled. So this is the content for this video. Apna course is providing a lot of courses across different categories. They have both paid courses as well as some free courses. You can click on all courses here and see all the courses that are offered by Apna course, and click on free courses to see all the free certificate courses offered by Apna course. So you have 30 courses in this platform for free of cost. You can also download your certificate of completion for free after completing these courses. So make use of this opportunity, enroll in a course that you like, complete the course content and take the exam, and then download your course completion certificate from Apna course for free of cost. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.